Hi there, Good Golf here with a new video on VR in Unity. It's a short video based on a question I received earlier this week on recording in-game VR footage. 4 years ago, I did a short video showing how you can do that using Steam VR. Well, things have developed since then, and when I revisited Steam VR a few weeks ago, it was not the success I hoped it to be. Instead, I changed to using the Unity Mixed Reality template and got quickly hooked on the XRI starter kit. I also found out that the Windows Mixed Reality software shows a window with in-game footage which you can easily record. In the background you can see the actual recording. Okay, that's it for now, and I hope you find this useful. As you may have already guessed, some more VR videos are in the works. Thanks for watching, and I'm off researching the next video.